Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here in the workshop. Walter, at the workbench with some mail. What was that sound from the Addams family when, thing would come out of the box with mail? Was that, you've got mail. So I got a couple packages today, and one is not very exciting, and it's questionably needed or not needed. So this is the lever cap to my number 7. It has a nick in this corner. And so I found this lever cap. Actually, I didn't find it. The person who sold it to me found it. And it doesn't have a nick in the front edge. It does have a little tiny chip out underneath. So I don't know how that's going to affect it. We'll wire brush it up, clean it up, polish it up, and see how it works. So that's for my number 7 plane restoration. Now, the next item, a little bit bigger box, came very well packed. Very well packed. It was completely taken apart and individual components neatly packed. So I have opened this and I have put it together because I didn't want to waste time doing that on camera. So this is something I do not have, but this is something that started Plain Talk. You need to go back in the way back time machine and look for the War Era 4.5 Stanley plane restoration. That's what started Plain Talk. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's another Stanley 4.5, but it's not War Era. I have to look up exactly which. I believe it's a Type 16. It says Bailey here, number 4.5 out front here, and there's no patent dates. It says Made in USA in the back, rosewood knob and tote, and a good coating of rust. So it's going to take some cleaning. It's going to take some bathing and a little bit of scrubbing, and we shall see what we end up with. Sadly, it looks like this side and the bottom were exposed to moisture. It shouldn't cause too much trouble, but I'm looking forward to restoring this and putting it up side by side against my Clifton. This will be a workhorse, and my Clifton is the show filly. That's for show. This is the workhorse. So that's about it, everybody. We'll talk more about that as things go on, but not sure exactly how much work I'll put into the blade set. It may be one of those thin ones. Yeah. 0.082. It's not terribly thin, but it's thin. And depending on how much rust and pitting there is, it might not be worth putting a lot of work into that, but we will. We'll get it cutting. I hope you're having a great day. I wish you all the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions about how to shop for used tools. Oh, by the way, I meant to tell you where I got these. No, it wasn't eBay. I do have one coming on eBay, though. You got to wait and see for that one. And no, I'm not on a tool buying spree. And no, I'm not wealthy. But there's a fellow that many of you know. You've probably seen him on YouTube. You've probably may have purchased from him, and he has a Facebook page. I hope that doesn't come up backwards. It may. It says, just plain fun. Vintage planes and parts. Michael Jenx. So, I'll leave a link to his channel and his Facebook. Just tell him you got it from Walter over at Dusty Splinters Plane Talk. So he knows where you found it. You have a blessed day. Walter out.